How to get DramaBox promo codes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few ways to get the DramaBox promo gift codes that you can enter on your account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you can do is check the official DramaBox Instagram. So open up your Instagram app. And then you are just going to go ahead and search for DramaBox Official. So this is the official Instagram page of DramaBox. So in some cases, what you can find is on these highlights, they will post free promo codes so that you can use it on your account. And if you don't see it here, you can also find it on these post section. So here are some of the price and things they post for their followers, so you can get the codes from here. The other thing you can do is open up your web browser and you can search for DramaBox promo codes here. And then from here you can find the gift codes for here, so you can just click on any of these links that you can find the promo codes from here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.